Hi, I'm SJ from What the Trig Math. I'm a high school teacher and a community college teacher based in the UK, and I'm also a Google certified trainer. I'm going to have a look today at using Google Forms and the email notifications of Google Forms. Let's dive in. So here we are then with our Google form. What we're going to do is we're going to put a question in, and what we're going to imagine here is that we're setting up a Google form that if at any time somebody needs us, they could get in touch with us. So the form might be embedded into a Google site or into our own intranet, and then when someone fills it in, we're going to be notified, and then we can take action based on that email. So we're going to add a question first, and you can see it's set up a multiple choice, and we'll pop in, please enter your name. And you can see as it does that, it changes it to a short answer. It's quite an intuitive system. You've got lots of other options in here, but short answer is perfect for name. So you might want to use this as a contact us form in an embedded site, or you might want to use it as a staff wellbeing form if staff might need help with their wellbeing or something like that. And you could ask them to rank how they're feeling today, or would you like to be contacted by one of our counselling team, anything like that. So you can see I've put the question in. Again, it's intuitively gone yes, no, maybe, and you can pop them all in like that. So what we need to do then is we need to just go into the settings, and we just need to set it up to collect the email addresses so that we have that detail. And then we're into the add-on menu here, which is the jigsaw piece, and it's form notification. Now this is an add-on that I've installed from the Google Marketplace. So you can see it here in the Google Marketplace, form notifications published by Google Cloud. It's saying uninstall because I have it installed at the minute, but that's the one that you would need to install. So we click form notifications and it'll open up the options for us. And you want to pop the email address in that you want to be notified when a form response comes in. So it might be teacher at whatever your domain is. And is it send notifications after every 10 responses? So maybe if it's a contact us form, you might want it just to be set to after one. And certainly if it's a staff wellbeing form, you'd want it to be after every one response. You can also set up to send a thank you email, and you can collect the email automatically, and you can send a copy to the teacher account, as we've done here at the domain address. And then instead of saying thank you for responding to our form, you might want to put we'll be in touch soon or something like that. And that's it, it's all set up. So we've saved that configuration then. And what you could do is you could set up multiple people to receive. You might want a senior management team to be notified when someone fills this form in, however you want to do it. So we'll see how that works in action then. So we filled the form in. The response has been recorded. Let's see if we've been notified. And you can see here I've got an email and it says form submission detected, and they've detected there's been one response so far, and from here I can go into the form and I can see what the responses are. So that was a little introduction as to how to use Google Forms with the form notifications add-on to be notified when someone completes the Google form.